Okay, now you can see this is the standard gas supply. It's in a galvanized, or it's in a black steel pipe. Now you should always use black pipe for gas. This is a black pipe fitting here, and this is black pipe fitting, and this is brass. You should not use galvanized. You can have some chemical reactions. But black pipe is always recommended for gas. And this is a nice ball valve, B-A-L-L valve. And I'm going to show you that when you turn it on, you can hear the gas. Whew, and you can smell the gas. So make sure this is off, and then now we're going to pull the oven out and take it outside. Now we are ready to move the stove out of the apartment, and I recommend having a dolly. This is a magnesium dolly with pneumatic wheels. You don't need one this fancy, but I do recommend using a dolly. Okay, then we're just basically going to move this out of our way.